welcome to Kids Easy Drawing.
Hello kids, I am Jayas. Today I will show you how to draw a simple flower dress. So let's start! .so first I am using black marker. Step 1. So kids, first to draw the upper body part of the dress. Make a heart-like shape with soft curves. Now connect it downward. Beautiful! Our princess dress is starting to appear. Step 2. Draw the big flowy skirt. Next, let's draw the big princess skirt. From both sides, draw long curved lines going outward and down. Join the lines at the bottom with soft waves. Wow! Look at that fluffy princess gown. Draw the bottom border. To the bottom edge, draw wavy zigzag curves. This gives the dress a fancy border design. So pretty! Wow, nice, you are so well. Draw the hanger. First, let's draw a small hanger on the top. Make a curved hook shape like this. Now draw 2 tiny slant lines downwards. Wow! Our dress hanger is ready already. Hey kids, let's learn about colors. So first, this is pink color. This is red color. This is black color. This is sky color. This is orange color. This is light pink color. This is brown. This is purple. This is blue color. This is light green color. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is Rama color. So kids, let's start coloring. I hope you enjoy this video and learn more things. So let's start coloring. So first time using purple color. Color the top and border. Now color the top part purple. Also color the bottom border purple too. Purple makes the dress look royal and beautiful. Oh great, you are very well. So kids, color the skirt. Let's color the big skirt with bright sky blue color. Color slowly and neatly. Wow, it looks magical already. And now I am using red color and color the bow and belt. Finally, color the bow and waist belt red. Yay! Our beautiful princess dress is complete. Wow kids, we made such a beautiful princess dress today. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cute drawings. Bye bye little artists. See you in the next drawing videos. Color the flower. Now let's start coloring. Color all the petals with bright orange color. For the center circle, use dark brown or maroon Color shade. The leaves and stem. Color both leaves with bright green color. Then color the stem with green and brown shade.